For a long time, fans of Apple have accepted certain hard truths. Every year, new iPhones come out like clockwork. Die Pro Modell erhalten immer zuerst die besten Funktionen. When du das regular iPhone kaufst, musst du dich mit weniger zufrieden geben. However, this pattern may finally be changing, with the iPhone 17 serving as the turning point. A recent leak from renowned display analyst Ross Young suggests that Apple intends to implement a significant change with the iPhone 17 lineup. And for a change, the base model is the one receiving all the focus. A particularly thrilling rumor is the possible inclusion of a 120Hz promotion display on the standard iPhone 17. If this is true, it would represent a significant change. For many years, Apple reserved its smooth, high refresh rate screens for Pro models behind the paywall, leaving standard models with outdated 60Hz panels. This leak indicates that this is about to change. However, there is more than that. Lecker, behauptet auch, dass das Basismodell der iPhone 17 einen leicht größeren Bildschirm von 6,27 Zoll erhalten wird. A meaningful yet modest rise from the 6.1 we've had on display for years, along with a new refresh rate and potentially always-on display support. This might greatly enhance the daily experience of users who choose the regular model. Especially the always-on display is a small yet beneficial enhancement. It is a small convenience that makes the device feel more modern and alive to be able to glance at the time or your widgets without waking the phone. While Android phones have provided this feature for years, Apple only brought it to the iPhone 14 Pro. It appears that even users who are not professionals might finally get to experience it. Should these changes come about as anticipated, they indicate something beyond merely a feature update. They suggest a change in Apple's product strategy. Apple's decision to incorporate advanced features into the base model may be a reaction to the growing competition from brands that provide 120Hz displays and premium constructions at more affordable prices. Additionally, it could serve to enhance the sales of the regular iPhone, which has begun to seem dated in comparison to its more glamorous counterparts. Of course, nothing will be confirmed until Apple takes the stage next year. Although these leaks are thrilling, they should be approached with caution. Apple has altered its plans in the past, and just because something is internally tested doesn't guarantee it will be included in the final product. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.